The Bolt is a high volume grinder with the capacity to pre-dose your coffee for instant grounds delivery. This is particularly useful if you have very busy periods in your cafe, bar or restaurant. You can use the grinder in fresh mode for those times that you don't require ultimate speed. When dialing in your grinder for the first time in the day, it is recommended to start in fresh mode. This enables you to use the grinder as any other on demand, except the door will remain shut and release once the timer is finished. This is to allow for the excellent distribution that the drop gives you. To use your grinder in fresh mode, press the dose button you wish to use, which will then highlight it. Then use your portafilter to engage the micro switch to start the selected dose. To change the time of the desired dose, hit the bean in the top right hand corner. Select the dose and scroll to the desired time. If you need a little extra coffee when in fresh mode, you can hit the top up button at the bottom center of the screen. To switch from fresh mode to pre-dose mode, hit the 3 lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. Press pre-dose. It will ask if you want to copy dose. This will take the time you had programmed in fresh mode and use it for pre-dose. It will ask if you would like push mode, touch mode or detection mode. Please note, if you have the UK version, it will come as standard with 1 dose for pre-dose mode, so you'll only copy over from dose number 1 in fresh mode. You will now have 1 dose preloaded in the chamber, ready for instant delivery when you need it. The handy timer in the bottom left hand corner allows you to keep track of when your last dose was ground. When you switch back to fresh mode from pre-dose, you will see a warning to let you know the doors will open. Ensure you have a vessel there to catch the grounds. The Bolt has a cleaning option and comes with a shoot brush. To activate this, hit the 3 lines in the top left hand corner. You will find all the settings here, from burr alarm to usage data. To enter cleaning mode, find and select cleaning. Here it will warn you that the doors will open. Once the doors have opened, slide your brush all the way through the delivery chute. Once finished, it will ask if you want to carry on using the grinder or switch it off.